Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Visual Studio Code HTML, how to embed PDF. So to embed PDF, we can use the iframe text. You can type iframe, press enter, and then for source, you can paste with your PDF location file. So in here I will use this PDF as example. You can copy for address, paste, and then copy again for the PDF name. So this is for the PDF location in computer. Now after it, you can add like into width. So ini I will change for frame border into width and set to 100%. After it, you can click File, Save, and then you can preview in a browser. So it will be embed the PDF into your browser. You also can set for height. Okay, I will add again for the height element. Height, and I will set like into 600 pixel. Click File, Save, and then you can refresh the browser. Okay, that's it for a basic Visual Studio Code HTML, how to embed PDF file.